This ultra-modern retreat in the woods is a stylish container home created by converting two 20-foot containers and two 40-footers into a functional living space. The containers are arranged in a U-shaped layout surrounding a spacious outdoor sitting area. The entire house is raised on a steel pier foundation to keep it away from moisture. Upon entering through the large glass doors, you step into a bright and open living space. The living area features a smart TV, modern decor, and minimalistic furniture to maximize the limited indoor space. A spacious dining area complements the living room, leading to a simple L-shaped kitchen with a pantry, quality kitchen appliances, soft close drawers, and good lighting. Adjacent to the kitchen is a separate laundry room with a linen cupboard and ample natural light. The fully tiled bathroom includes a shower cubicle, a vanity, and a toilet with a small window for natural lighting. Off the lounge area is the first bedroom, located in a 20-foot container. It offers a well-lit space with a comfortable double bed and ample storage. The second and third bedrooms on the opposite ends of the dining area, they feature cozy double and single beds respectively. The interior is fully insulated with high ceilings throughout, creating a sense of openness and spaciousness. Despite being made of shipping containers, the house exterior gives no hint of its origin. Covered in cement board siding, it achieves more of a traditional look. The cottage may be small inside, but it boasts a large open front patio, providing a sense of space. The patio is an ideal spot for grilling or relaxation. An additional roof above the containers shields the house from harsh weather elements and promoting airflow, keeping the interior cooler during hot weather. What do you love about this amazing container cottage in the woods? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.